Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well students. Today we will learn chapter number 12, that is data handling. Now class, today we will study about data. Now class, see, different kinds of toys are there in the shop. Class, see, there are many toys of different kinds. Observe the picture carefully and answer the following questions. Class, see the picture? Now class, see. How many toy trains are there? Toy trains. Now class, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many toy trains? 6. Now, B part. How many toy cars are there? Now class, toy cars. 1, 2 and 3. 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, how many toys have wheels? How many toys have wheels? Class C. How many toys have wheels? Class C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Class C. Trains has also wheels and cars also. Now class, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 toys have wheels. Now class, how many toys are made up of stuffings? How many toys are made up of stuffings? Class C. Dolls and teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how many toys can fly? How many toys can fly? Class C. The airplane. Aeroplane. 1, 2. 2 toys can fly. Understand class? Now class, what is data collection? What is data collection? The collection of information is called the data collection. Collection of information. Class C. अब यहाँ पर आपके पास एक पिक्चर थी. यहाँ पर आपने क्या किया था? उसमें से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट की थी कि हाउ मेनी टॉय ट्रेन्स आर देयर, हाउ मेनी टॉय कार्स आर देयर, एक्सेट्रा. नाउ क्लास, okay, we can show a number or a quantity of the object through symbolic pictures. They are called the pictographs. They are called the pictographs. Data handling is to collect, arrange and use the information received from data. Now class, come on exercise 12. Amit found out the favorite ice cream of 8 of his class students. After seeing the data, answer the questions. Now class, flavors of ice creams. How many flavors? Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry and choco chip. Now class, number of students or number of children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now how many students like chocolate ice cream? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So class, vanilla 1, 2, 3. Now strawberry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now choco chip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now class, choco chip सभी बच्चों को पसंद है. Now class, question number 1. How many children like the following ice cream flavors? Chocolate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now strawberry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now vanilla, it is 3. Now choco chip 8. Now which is the most favorite ice cream? Class, सब जिसने सबको पसंद है वो आइसक्रीम कौन सी थी? मोस्ट फेवरेट इज चोको चिप, जो सभी बच्चों को पसंद है. इट इज चोको चिप. CHO चोको, CHIP चिप, चोको चिप. नाउ क्लास, विच इज द लीस्ट फेवरेट आइसक्रीम? क्या सबसे कम कौन सी पसंद है? इट इज वनीला. इट इज वनीला. Now, which two flavors are liked by the same of children? Class C. Which two flavors? Class, it is chocolate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and strawberry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chocolate and strawberry in the same number. Chocolate and strawberry. Understand, class? Now, class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we'll meet you in next class. Thank you.